Whoa. What's this here? Another unboxing. Haha. So let's see what's in this package. Okay, got it open. Uh-oh, that's the box. Alright, bubble wrap. Let's cut the bubble wrap with one hand. Ah, screw it. Bubble wrap undone. You probably noticed what this is. I think it's still taped up. Hold on. Man, it's a lot of jump cuts. Alright, here we go. I got 2 rail gondolas. Hope I pronounced it right. Yep. These are produced by Lionel. So I got 2 of these off of eBay. $16.99. Free shipping. Straight from Michigan. Why I purchased these rail cars? Well, I want to expand the scrap metal business. I've been ignoring that side of the die-cast model community for a while. So I got these for the scrap business. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. And see you guys next time.